Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a quick and easy way to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. I've been using Canva for at least 3 years now. It has more than enough templates to use for any type of social media post. There are loads of free templates to use with free to use backgrounds, fonts and graphics. But obviously don't worry, as you can import your own images if you want to. You can search YouTube and get loads of related templates relating to YouTube, as seen in the search now. You can also scroll down and see a section specifically for YouTube thumbnails. All you have to do is click on See All to see the templates created and shared by other people. Scroll through until you find the template you'd like to use. I'm going to use this Game of Strategies one for now. You'll be able to change this on the top left if you decide not to use this template by clicking onto the Template tab and selecting another in the list. You can also search and use free photos in Canva. Just select the one that you want and drag it and then drop. Note, some photos and elements can only be used with the pro version of Canva. Me personally, I just use the free version. I'm going to use this subscribe graphic just as an example. All I need to do is to resize and place it where I want it to be on the thumbnail. Under Elements, you'll find graphics and grids. Grids can be used to shape photographs that you've taken. I'm not going to use this for now, I'm just going to use this video player icon. Because of this post being used as a thumbnail, we don't need to look at the video section for now on this panel. When we click on the text menu, you can see that there's tons of templates to choose from. But for now, I'm going to keep what's already there and just change the text to something else. Under background, as you've already guessed, there are loads to choose from. You can also choose a colour using a specific colour code. For now, I'm going to choose this multicoloured background. You can upload your own photos and vector graphics by clicking on Upload and either clicking on the blue button at the top to search your files or just by simply dragging and dropping into the space provided. Once you are finished with your design, it's just a case of downloading the image. I'd always recommend using a PNG. Then, just add it to the video that's being uploaded as a thumbnail. You can view all the designs that you've worked on in the past or currently working on by going back to the home page and clicking on all your designs. As always, thanks for watching.